In 2016, a bold prediction captured the world's attention. Many believed artificial intelligence would soon replace radiologists. Was this the beginning of the end for the profession?
The prediction seemed believable. AI was becoming remarkably good at recognizing patterns in medical images, and many expected human experts to become unnecessary within just a few years. But reality took a very different path. Instead of shrinking, the radiology workforce continued to grow throughout the decade.
Leading medical centers embraced artificial intelligence while continuing to hire more specialists. Rather than replacing doctors, AI became another tool in the workplace.
Medical imaging quickly became one of the largest areas for clinical AI. New software helped doctors analyze scans faster and identify potential concerns more efficiently. The original prediction confused a task with an entire profession. Reading an image is only one part of a radiologist's work.
AI can recognize patterns, but experienced radiologists combine patient history, clinical evidence, uncertainty, and medical expertise before making the final diagnosis.
Instead of replacing specialists, AI now performs the first review, flags urgent cases, and helps prioritize work, allowing doctors to spend more time making important clinical decisions. We've seen this pattern before. When automated cash machines became common, bank tellers didn't disappear. Their responsibilities simply evolved into more valuable, human-focused work. The same lesson applies across many careers. Technology often automates repetitive tasks, while human creativity, communication, and judgment become even more valuable. Change is real, and many workers will need new skills. The challenge isn't resisting AI, it's making sure people have the education, training, and tools to work alongside it.
Radiology shows that AI changes jobs, but not the need for human expertise. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans empowered by AI.